Section 1. The mistake that can cost your medication.
Let's be blunt. Most travelers don't lose their medication because they're breaking the law. They lose it because they misunderstand the rules. Airport security isn't guessing anymore. Officers are trained, alert, and watching everything that might be medicine. One wrong move, one careless pack, and your medication could be taken away before you even know it. Here's where most people go wrong. They toss pills or bottles into a bag, zip it up, and assume it's fine. That bag goes through the scanner, and suddenly, assumptions don't matter. Security doesn't care how essential your medicine is. They care about how it's organized, labeled, and separated. Before you pack, ask yourself one critical question. Is this prescription or over-the-counter? That distinction changes how your medicine is treated. Ignore it, and you risk extra screening, delays, or worse, losing it entirely. And it gets trickier if you're flying internationally. Some medications that are normal at home can be restricted or illegal abroad. Experienced travelers don't guess. They research the destination, check the official rules, and pack accordingly, because what's allowed when you leave might get you stopped when you arrive. Another rule most travelers ignore: never put essential medication in checked luggage. Bags get lost, delayed, or inspected, and when that happens, your medicine is gone. Smart travelers keep everything in their personal item, under the seat in front of them, where it's accessible at all times. Packing medication might seem simple, but it's the small details, the label, the container, the organization, that make the difference between a smooth security checkpoint and a stressful delay. By preparing ahead, you stay in control, avoid confusion, and protect your most important travel essentials. Section 2. Prescription medication, where most travelers get caught. This is where travelers feel safe and still get stopped. Having a prescription doesn't automatically make your medication airport-proof. Security isn't judging your intentions, they're checking how your medicine is prepared. Prescription pills are usually straightforward, but only if they're organized. The label must be on the bottle, not on the box, not printed on paper, and not just on your phone. Without that, even completely legal medication can trigger extra screening. Quantity matters too. Packing too much can raise suspicion. Packing too little can leave you vulnerable if your trip changes. The safest approach is to carry what you need for the trip, plus a small buffer, and avoid excess that draws attention. Liquid prescription medication causes even more problems. If a container is over 3.4 ounces, it can still fly, but only if it's clearly labeled, separated, and ready to be screened. Mixing it with your regular liquids creates confusion, which slows you down. Experienced travelers keep liquids in a small, separate bag, ready for inspection, removing hesitation and stress. Packaging makes a difference too. Ask your pharmacy for compact options like blister packs or flat containers with the prescription label attached. These make verification easier and speed up security. Finally, organization is everything. Scatter pills or liquids across a bag, and security must search for each item. Keep everything in one small pouch or zip bag, and the process becomes smooth. Quick access, clean presentation, and clear labeling give you control, reduce scrutiny, and keep your travel day on track. Section 3. Over-the-counter medication, the rules everyone gets wrong. Over-the-counter medication feels simple, which is exactly why travelers get tripped up. No prescription, no paperwork, so people relax. That assumption can create unnecessary delays. Pills themselves are flexible. They can go almost anywhere, in your personal item or carry-on, but bulky organizers, scattered bottles, or oversized packaging can make your bag look cluttered. Experienced travelers break medication into small portions, pack them in compact containers, and avoid attention. Less space, less confusion, easier access. The real trap: liquid over-the-counter medicine. Many assume everything must follow the 3.4-ounce rule, but medical liquids like cough syrup, contact solution, or eye drops are allowed in larger amounts. The catch is that they must be separated from other liquids and ready for screening. Ignore this, and security sees a large liquid in the wrong place, causing delays. Even small items matter. Eye drops, contact lens solution, or other fluid-based meds should be separated. They don't belong in the general liquids bag, but they should be visible and accessible. That small step removes confusion, speeds inspection, and prevents unnecessary questioning. Finally, organization wins again. Experienced travelers don't wait for security to ask, they prepare. Everything is visible, separated, and ready. Technology may change, but rules don't. Ensuring your over-the-counter medication moves through security without stress or surprise. Section 4. The moment that decides everything. Most travelers think airport security is all about what's inside their bag. It isn't. The real test happens when security looks at it. This is where your trip either flows smoothly or grinds to a halt. Many travelers stay quiet, hoping nothing gets flagged. That approach often backfires. When it comes to medication, silence can create confusion and delays. Experienced travelers act differently. They speak first, calmly saying, "I have medical items in my bag. Would you like me to take them out?" That simple step signals transparency and cooperation. Visibility and organization are just as important. Medication buried under clothes or wrapped inside shoes forces officers to search, slowing the line and creating stress. Keep everything accessible, organized, and ready to remove if requested. A small pouch or zip bag can make a huge difference. Medical devices like glucose monitors, insulin pumps, or other equipment stay with you. Security is familiar with them. At most, they might inspect briefly or swab your hands, but you don't remove the device. Calm, clear, and steady behavior matters more than people realize. Rushing, fidgeting, or showing anxiety draws attention and increases the likelihood of extra checks. Even alarms don't signal trouble, they signal a closer look is needed. How you respond determines the speed of the process. Clear presentation, direct communication, and visible organization give you control and build trust. Ultimately, smooth security is a combination of preparation and mindset. Speak early, stay calm, keep items accessible, and show clarity in how your medication is packed. That's what separates experienced travelers from those who get stuck in endless inspections. Section 5. The rules that can get you into real trouble. This is where small mistakes turn serious. Some travelers assume certain items are harmless, but airport security is bound by the law. For example, marijuana may not be actively searched for, but if found, officers must report it. Suddenly, you're dealing with local authorities, not airport rules. Laws vary by departure and arrival location, making guessing extremely risky. The same applies to certain medications. Drugs common in one country may be restricted or banned in another. Experienced travelers check official sources before traveling, ensuring what's allowed where they land. Insulin and diabetic supplies are another critical area. Large quantities are permitted, but they are treated as medical items, not regular liquids. Always inform the officer, "I have insulin and diabetic equipment in my bag." This clarity prevents confusion and speeds inspection. Blood sugar testing kits and related supplies are also allowed, as long as they're presented clearly. Overpacking or hiding items creates unnecessary problems. Placing medication inside shoes, multiple layers, or buried beneath other items makes it harder for scanners to identify. The result? Bag pulled aside, opened, and more time lost. Even ice packs require attention. If used for medical purposes, they do not need to be fully frozen, but for food, they must be solid. Finally, labeling is non-negotiable. Without clear prescription labels, medication, even legal, can be confiscated. Airport security relies on proof, not explanation. The difference is simple: clear label, organized packing, and visible purpose. That combination keeps you moving efficiently and prevents serious trouble. Section 6. The system that makes everything smooth. Knowing the rules is just the start. At the airport, when you're tired, rushed, and distracted, memory isn't enough. The difference between a stressful checkpoint and a smooth one is how you pack. Experienced travelers rely on a simple system that removes confusion before it starts. First, everything goes in one place. All pills, prescriptions, liquids, everything belongs in a single pouch or zip bag. Nothing scattered across pockets or mixed with unrelated items. One bag, one place. When security needs to check, you simply take it out. No digging, no hesitation. Second, separate what matters. Liquids stay separate from pills. Prescription medications have the label clearly visible. Essentials stay accessible. Predictable organization makes the bag easy to understand, which speeds inspection and reduces scrutiny. Third, keep it with you. Personal items under the seat are ideal. Never pack essential medication in checked luggage, which can be delayed, lost, or inspected. Keeping medication close ensures you remain in control no matter what happens during boarding. Fourth, prepare before you reach the scanner. Know where liquid medication is and how to present it. If explanation is needed, give it clearly and early. This removes hesitation, reduces questions, and prevents confusion. Fifth, simplify the process. Avoid overpacking, hiding items, or using complicated containers. The easier your bag is to read at a glance, the faster you move through security. Officers make decisions in seconds. Clear, organized packing communicates compliance instantly. The goal is efficiency, not luck. Most travelers hope nothing goes wrong. Experienced travelers eliminate hope and rely on preparation. By creating a system for organization, separation, and accessibility, you control the process and ensure your medication travels with you safely. Airport security isn't just a checkpoint, it's the start of your trip. How you handle your medication from the moment you pack defines whether your travel day is smooth or stressful. Clear labels, visible organization, separated liquids, and calm communication are the foundation of control. When you follow a simple, predictable system, inspections become quick and predictable. You move efficiently, stress decreases, and the focus shifts back to your trip, not the bag behind you. Remember, preparation beats luck, clarity beats confusion, and control beats delay. Every pill, every liquid, every device has a place and a purpose. Treat it that way, and you pass through security with confidence. Your trip starts the moment you step into the airport. Make that moment smooth, organized, and stress-free. When your bag is ready, your mind is free, and your journey begins the right way.